Welcome to our review and tour of Orlando Fun Spot just off International Drive. Okay, so let's face it, for about the price of 1/3 of a major theme park in Orlando, you can spend an entire day at Orlando Fun Spot. You get a wristband, you can go on all the rides as many times as you like, and it makes for a great full day or half day out. There are lots of food and beverage outlets, very reasonably priced, and you're also very close to all the restaurants and shops on International Drive. We highly recommend Orlando Fun Spot. If you've enjoyed our video of Orlando Fun Spot, be sure to like it, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more Orlando information, and if you need to rent a vacation home, just click on the link in the description below or go to orlandov.com. Thank you.